unit rate and rates quiz. First, type your first and last name in the box here. Number 1. A car can travel 195 miles in 3 hours. What is the unit rate, miles in 1 hour? 97.5 miles per hour, 65 miles per hour, or 63.3 miles per hour. Number 2. 3 pounds of apples cost $2.23, and 5 pounds of apples cost $4.20. What is the better buy and why? Remember, it's money divided by the pounds of apples. Your choices are 3 pounds of apples because it cost 10 cents less per pound, 5 pounds of apples because it cost 10 cents less per pound, or 3 pounds of apples because it cost 84 cents per pound. Number 3. A hummingbird can flap its wings 1,860 times in 60 seconds. At this rate, how many times can it flap its wings per second? 30 times, 60 times, or 31 times? Number 4. A hummingbird can flap its wings 1,860 times in 60 seconds. At this rate, how many times can it flap its wings in 80 seconds? 23.25 times, 1,395 times, or 2,480 times? Number 5. An amusement park offers 2 options. Option 1. 6-pack of admission tickets for $225. Or option 2, you can spend $39 per ticket. Which ticket option has a cheaper unit price per ticket? Option 2, because you are saving $1.50 per ticket. Option 1, because the unit price is $37.50. Or option 2, because the unit price is $37.50. Number 6. At a grocery store, you can buy a 12-pack of paper towels for $9, or an 18-pack of paper towels for $12.25. Which explanation is correct when comparing their unit prices? The 18-pack is the better buy because the unit price is 75 cents per roll. The 12-pack is the better buy because the unit price is 75 cents per roll. Or the 18-pack is the better buy because the unit price is 68 cents per roll. Number 7. Michael can type 180 words in 6 minutes. At this rate, how many words can he type in 8 minutes? 240 words, 360 words, or 135 words? Number 8. A bakery can make 320 cookies in 2 hours. At this rate, how many cookies can they make in 5 hours? 640 cookies, 1,600 cookies, or 800 cookies? Number 9. Your heart beats 240 times in 4 minutes. How many times does your heart beat each minute? 40 times, 60 times, or 120 times? And number 10, it takes Olivia 12 minutes to run 4 miles, and Kenny 15 minutes to run 6 miles. Who has the fastest time per mile? Olivia because she can run 1 mile in 2.5 minutes, which is faster than Kenny. Kenny because he can run 1 mile in 3 minutes, which is faster than Olivia. Or Kenny because he can run 1 mile in 2.5 minutes, which is faster than Olivia.